Welcome back. In this lecture, we will discuss all about WordPress themes. When you are building a website with WordPress, the first thing you need to do is to choose a theme for your website. Now, what are themes? So, a WordPress theme is basically a group of files, graphics, style sheets, and code in the shape of a plugin that control the overall appearance of your blog or website. A WordPress theme gives a design or style to your website that how your website will look like. To show you how a theme change the design of your website, I will take you to my website. So this is my WordPress dashboard, and if I open my website, so I will right click here and I will open my website. So this is the design of my website based on the current active theme in my WordPress dashboard, but if I choose a different theme, then you will see the design and appearance of my website will change. So I will go to my dashboard, and here you will see the appearance option, and under appearance you will see the themes option. So I will click on this, and here you will see all the installed themes in your WordPress dashboard. And the current active theme on our website is this one, which is Ocean WP. Now if you want to activate another theme, so you will hover over on a theme and then you will see the activate button with this theme. So you can click on the activate button to activate that theme. But before activating, you can also see the live preview of that theme. So the current active theme on my website is Ocean WP. But if I want to activate the 2019 theme, so I can click on the activate. But instead of activating this theme, I can click on the live preview to see how this theme will look like. So I will click on live preview. So this is how my website will look like if I activate the 2019 theme. So you can see the difference in the style of my website now. This is the current active theme on my website, and if I change this to 2019, so it will look like this. We will discuss in a while how to install and activate themes, but first we will discuss how to decide which theme is suitable for your website. So for choosing a theme for your website, you will need to determine that what is the purpose of your website. Is it a business website which contains some static and informative pages about your business? Is your website a blog that regularly updated with new posts? Is your website offering online shopping features? So once you determine the purpose of your website, then you can easily get thousands of themes available for free on wordpress.org/themes. WordPress also provides you a filtering option for choosing a theme. So if I take you to our WordPress theme section, so here we will go to appearance and then we will click on themes. Now as I said that these are the installed themes in our WordPress dashboard, but if you want to install a new theme, so you will click here on the wordpress.org themes button. In the older version of WordPress, you will see here add new button, but in the new version of WordPress, you will see wordpress.org themes button. So I will click on this. Now here you can directly search for a theme if you know the name of that specific theme. But if you want to choose a theme based on filters, so you will see here the feature filter button. Just click on this. Now here first of all you will select what type of website you are creating. Is it a blog? Is it an e-commerce website? Or it is an educational website? Or an entertainment website, food and drink, holiday, news, photography, and portfolio? So let's say for demonstration we are creating an e-commerce website. So I will check the box for e-commerce. Then from the feature option, I will select custom logo, and also I will select feature image header, and in the layout I will select 4 columns. Then I will click on the apply filter. Now here you can see there are 69 pre-themes available based on the filter we applied. So you can scroll down and you can preview a theme from here. You can install it and you can activate that theme. But before installing and activating a theme, you can preview the theme to see how it will look on your website. So if I click on the preview button for this theme, so you can see here, this is how your website will look like after activating this theme. If it is difficult for you to decide which theme is suitable for your website, so you can also use Google. For example, if you want to create a business website, so you can search on Google top 10 pre-WordPress themes for a business website. Now you can open these themes and you can see the screenshot and details of these themes, and if you like any of them, you can download it from wordpress.org website and you can install and activate it on your website. Now how to download and install a theme from wordpress.org website. So we will open the wordpress.org/themes. So we will scroll down a little and here you will see the search themes field. So you can search for a theme here. So for demonstration, I will search here for the storefront theme. So I will type here storefront. So this is the storefront theme. Now I will click on the download button to download this theme. So you can see this theme is downloaded to my computer. Now I will go to my WordPress dashboard to upload this theme. So I will go to my WordPress. I will close this. Now here under appearance, again we will go to themes. And here you will see this upload button. So click on this. And now click on upload theme button. Then click on choose file. Now search in your computer where you have downloaded the theme. So the theme that I have downloaded is in the downloads folder. So I will go to the downloads folder. And this is the theme which I just downloaded. So I will click on this and then I will click on the open button. Now I will click on the install now button. Now you can see this theme is installed successfully. So you can activate this theme from here. And if you want to see the live preview of this theme, so you can click on the live preview button. But I don't want to activate this theme. I was just showing you how to download and upload a theme. You will see this theme in your installed theme. So if you go to our themes, so you can see here this is the storefront theme which we just installed. So in this lecture we discussed what are themes, how to choose a theme for your website, and then we discussed installing and activating themes.